mother. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, mother.
Happy birthday, Lola. I'm sure you are tired counting the years of your age. May these years be endless and full of happiness. I wish you to be always happy and healthy as today. Happy birthday, Lola. Love you.
I love you po.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday na.
Kaya ako magbiro, happy nita.
Oh, blow the
Oh, blow the
candle.
candle.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Nana.
Nanay, I miss you.
Hi, Nay. Happy
Hi, Nay.
74th birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Thank you so much for all the gifts that you continue to give us. And Alina,
Happy birthday, Lola. Have a great birthday. It's sad that I won't be there.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Hi, Mother! More birthday to come. Always be happy. Stay healthy. We love you so much, Mother. We love you. I miss you, Nanay. I love you. With Habibi.
Okay. Nanay, happy birthday po. Love ka po namin, Nanay. Ay, ito po hindi kayong bayo nga po. Isid. Ayun po yun. Muli na kayo po. Bata nang miyabe-yabe pa si Bayo, Nay. Happy birthday po ulit. Hello, Dar. Dari Josephine, may tabako mo po. Happy birthday, Dar. Mimingat kayo po lagi.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Dar.
What's here? Happy birthday! Sana ka na po. Sana malina ka. Happy birthday po! Happy birthday po! Ako po si Shane. Ako po si Shane. I love you, Lola. We love you very much. Happy birthday po! Ay, napanbanso kayo, Rain. At saka si Nash na.
No, Nash.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola. I love you po. I love you po. Yay! Bye-bye, Lola. Bye-bye, Lola.
Hello po, Auntie. Happy birthday po. Sana po ay maging maligaya ka nitong iyong kaarawan. At sana ay magkaroon ka pa po ng maraming birthday. So, happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo lagi. God bless you po. Kaya na po. Bumabati sa iyo ng happy birthday.
Happy 24th birthday, Auntie Sheila.
Happy birthday, Lola Sheila.
Hello, kumusta sila? Kumusta? Happy birthday!
Yan. Sana maging maganda ang araw mo ngayon, Lola. At syempre, stay healthy, stay stronger, live life to the fullest.
Happy birthday! Sana maging maligaya ka dyan. Happy birthday at umaga ka pa din. Magpagaling ka, o magpasikang ka.
Birthday po. Birthday po sila. Have a good day po.
Happy birthday, Tita Sila! Ang aking paboritong tita, ang aking vibes na vibes, ang aking kamukhang tita. Tita, more birthday to come po. Sana po, makita po tayo uli sa pag-uwi mo dito sa Pinas. Happy birthday po uli!
Happy birthday, Auntie! Ingat ka lagi dyan. Stay pretty and healthy.
Happy birthday, Lola Sila.
Happy birthday, Dara!
Lara, happy birthday!
Ingat!
Ingat po lagi
God bless you.
dyan. Birthday po, Lola.
Hi, Auntie Sila. Happy birthday po. Wish ko po kaya kayo sana din na kayo pa po makabang din na po yun. Ingat kayo po lagi. Happy birthday po ulit. I miss you. I love you.
Hello, Dansila. Happy 74th birthday. Enjoy your day, ah. Lagi kami mingat, Ken. Ikaw nga Don Teresa. Oh, miss you.
Hello, happy ta. Happy 74th birthday. Initsura mo, bala mo 60. Kaya ka malulupang 70s eh. Sana lagi kang ingat, Ken. Ampong, bakal pang birthday ing datang keka. Lalo mo naman, kaluguran da ka. Love you.
Happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday ang darating sa atin. I love you. Dara. Sila, happy birthday. Sana maraming handa.
Hello po, Nanay Sila. Happy birthday po. Ang wish ko po sa birthday nyo, sana magkaroon pa po kayo ng mahabang buhay. At syempre, good health po para makapag-celebrate pa po ng maraming birthday. Again, happy birthday po. God bless and enjoy your day po.
Hi! Hello, Lola Sila. Happy birthday po. Happy 74th birthday. I wish ko mo good health and may your life be filled with sweet moment and smile and blissful memories. May this day give you a new beginning in life.
Happy birthday! Sana haba pang buhay natin para magkita tayo lagi. Okay? Happy birthday! Lola, happy birthday! Kamu? Tayo ka! Lola, happy birthday!
Hello, Lola. Musta na kayo? Happy birthday. At sana, binana ka pang si kanan Lord. At sana, dakal pang birthday in datang keka. God bless. I love you. Happy birthday.